LG Electronics is a total air solution company with R&D, production, sales, installation, commissioning, services, and maintenance functions. In the case of HVAC systems, the structure is very complex and its forms are highly various. Therefore, receiving services and maintenance through professional HVAC experts is very important. LG Air Solution guarantees the best quality services and differentiated maintenance based on in-depth understanding of various products and advanced big data analysis to provide customized solution. LG Air Solution provides optimized HVAC total solution service for various customer needs and installation environments, from individual to central HVAC, with a full lineup of various services and maintenance solutions. VRF maintenance service reduces cost and energy consumption with advanced technologies to improve efficiency and performance of VRF products, which eventually helps convenient and accurate product management. The VRF services and maintenance consists of a total of 4 products. It is critical to have VRF products be periodically cleaned by a specialist. Failure to perform systematic cleaning may harm cooling efficiency, air quality, and health. LG's eco-friendly cleaning solution performs excellently in response to contamination. In addition, repair service offered by professional engineers, regular inspection service that can prevent system failure, and quick emergency action when service is requested are all provided for the integrated and professional VRF service and maintenance. Through these comprehensive products, continuous product improvement activities, efficient energy management, and performance enhancement can be expected. Chillers require regular inspections and diagnosis to maintain performance and to achieve cost reduction. Chiller services and maintenance products are divided into 4 types. Through compressor overhaul, which disassembles the equipment for maintenance, secondary accidents can be prevented and losses can be minimized. By cleaning various contaminants via tube cleaning methods according to products and water qualities, product life is extended and energy efficiency can be maximized. Moreover, systematic inspection and preventive maintenance services enable periodical examination and management of products' major parts to prevent breakdowns in advance. Lastly, with emergency action that responds to services promptly, maintaining the highest level of product performance is possible. LG Air Solution provides direct services through visits as well as indirect services through the LG Electronics developed remote management system, Beacon Cloud System. Beacon Cloud provides a convenient and efficient remote management environment. Remote control system, which allows remote control regardless of time and space in web environment. Facility maintenance system, which prevents breakdown through real-time inspection. And energy management system, which manages energy consumption through application of control technology. Big data analysis can reduce downtime by providing preventive services that proactively detect malfunction signals. This enables efficient product management as well as the total solution customized to meet every client's complex and various needs. LG Electronics provides worldwide services and maintenance systems through its global network.
They were good response always we receive from them, and they advise us on the most efficient machines and most suitable for our project.
Mình thấy đội ngũ kỹ thuật của LG rất là chuyên nghiệp. Bắt đầu dự án thì đội ngũ đã hướng dẫn, lắp đặt và đã bàn giao cho bên mình tất cả những cái tài liệu rất là chi tiết và đầy đủ. Tác phong rất là nhiệt tình. Cảm thấy rất là hài lòng về đội ngũ kỹ thuật ở bên LG đã hỗ trợ nhà máy.
The ongoing installation now in the project is being executed properly by LG, and we're quite happy with how they perform and the quality that they provided.
制冷和制热效果都很出色，而且 LG 定时会安排人对产品运转进行检查。
We promise you to provide more differentiated and improved services and maintenance with technological expertise and customized solution based on big data analysis. LG sincerely asks you to focus on your business. We will wholeheartedly handle the rest.